Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to start a new series to learn LLM from A to Z. If you are new and want to learn the large language model, and if you are interested in learning machine learning model, the large language models which uses OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, and so many APIs to make a chatbot, to make a production ready application in real world scenarios. So let's start. So in this case, I am going to apply the OpenAI API key. So for that, I am on platform.openai.com docs overview. Here I am going to OpenAI developer platform. You have to log in. I log in with my Google, so you have to log in this, and then I am going to start building. Click on this. As you see, I set this API key name from my test key to LLM with OpenAI. Langchain Langchain LLM with OpenAI, and this default generate API key. Let's generate this. We wait for new. Copy this. You see our Open API key is generated successfully. For Python, you have to pip install OpenAI. As you see, I come back to my project, and inside this project I create .env file. This is the project one of Langchain. Inside this env file, I create a variable Open API key. I stored my Open API key in this, and then I am going to use this Open API key in this langchain.ipynb file. Let's save this file and go next. So first of all, importing OpenAI from Langchain. I am importing OpenAI from Langchain from langchain.llms importing OpenAI. So as you see, I am importing OpenAI from Langchain. Let's execute this. Select the Python environment, and here I am going to select this one.